No. Okay, wait. Alright, there it is. Oh no, Hercules with a mustache. Hello? My name is Louis. Oh Lord, Hercules. Oh, Hercules is an idiot. Okay, Alright, well it officially did not work. Butterfly. There you go. Oh, Louie, you look so good. He looks terrible. That does look good. I think I'm going to get him a set of wings. What do you think? All right. And cut the video.